Welcome back. Today we are looking at the everything great about the Korg Kross 261-61-key synthesizer workstation build. The Korg Kross 261-61-key synthesizer workstation is designed for musicians who need a powerful, portable, and highly versatile keyboard workstation. In the professional keyboard workstation synthesizer category, musicians often compare instruments based on sound quality, portability, recording capabilities, and ease of use. Check the video description for the updated price link. The Kross 2-61 manages to distinguish itself by combining an extensive sound engine with advanced workstation functions in a remarkably lightweight design. Compared with many traditional workstation keyboards that prioritize studio performance over mobility, the Korg Kross 2-61 strikes an impressive balance. It is equally suitable for stage performances, music production, songwriting, and educational environments. The instrument offers a large sound library, onboard sequencing tools, audio recording capabilities, and performance-friendly controls that make it appealing to both beginners and experienced keyboardists. Another reason the Kross 2-61 attracts professional musicians is its workflow. Some workstation keyboards require extensive menu navigation and complicated editing procedures. By comparison, the Kross 2-61 offers direct access to important functions through dedicated buttons and an intuitive layout. This approach allows performers to focus more on creativity and less on technical obstacles. While exploring professional music equipment, many musicians also browse accessories and organization solutions for their studio setups. For additional inspiration, you may enjoy this related product guide. 61 velocity-sensitive keys. The keyboard provides expressive playing dynamics while maintaining a compact form factor that is easy to transport. Massive sound library. One of the most impressive elements of this synthesizer workstation is its extensive collection of sounds. Musicians gain access to pianos, strings, synth leads, organs, basses, percussion instruments, and numerous specialty patches. Professional workstation functions. The onboard sequencer allows users to build arrangements directly from the keyboard. Songwriting and composition can happen without relying entirely on a computer-based digital audio workstation. Audio recording capability. The ability to record performances directly into the instrument makes it attractive for composers, producers, and performers seeking a portable production solution. Lightweight design in comparison to many competing workstation synthesizers. The Kross 2-61 is notably portable. Gigging musicians appreciate instruments that can be moved easily between rehearsals and performances. Sampling and pad controls. Trigger pads enable quick access to samples and audio files. This feature is particularly useful for live performers who need instant access to sound effects and backing tracks. Traditional workstation synthesizers often prioritize deep editing capabilities and extensive hardware integration. While these instruments can be incredibly powerful, they may also become bulky and difficult to transport. The Kross 2-61 takes a different approach. Compared with larger workstation models, the Kross 2-61 provides outstanding portability without sacrificing creative functionality. Its sound engine delivers impressive realism and synthetic textures suitable for multiple musical genres, including pop, rock, electronic music, worship performances, and cinematic compositions. Many professional keyboards emphasize studio production, but can feel intimidating to beginners. The Kross 2-61 offers a gentler learning curve while still retaining enough advanced features to satisfy experienced performers. Another important comparison involves workflow speed. Some synthesizer workstations require multiple menu layers to perform simple tasks. The Kross 2-61 simplifies this experience through dedicated controls and straightforward navigation. Check the link in the description to get yours today.